Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. Last 4 days we are not making any video. So due to some NISM exam we are completing and the Logif intake, that is SIF common derivative. So we are successfully completed and we are going to do the SIF on our corporate ARN corporate distributor. So that is why we are not making any videos, and we successfully completed that examinations. So anyone who are requiring about the SIF specialized investment funds also will help you to do that. So this video is mainly for the EOD scanner, how we are going to use it, and what are the files is required to upload to get that particular EOD data. So what are the scanners which you have created is for finding the exact pattern which forms in a particular stock or options which we are using the tool to find that. So here Camarilla based, it's one of the pivot point which helping you to find out breakout like R4 or S4 which we are going to use it. So we are developing some 5 scanners there. One is about inside, that means 2 days comparison R4 and S4. The first one is about inside. So the R4 and S4 it's a inside between the previous day's level. So like this exactly, it is an inside Camarilla. We take a previous day closing price. Based on that closing price, we select a ATM strike price. After selecting the ATM strike price, we are fetching the Camarilla levels for the same strike price for today and yesterday. We are comparing and we are finding out whether it is an inside or narrow or outside or lower level, higher level or lower level. The second concept which we are following is R4 level and S4. In this case, we are using R3 and S3. That next day R4 and S4, that 4 levels inside between the R3 and the S3. This we consider as a narrows level. Okay, and third one, higher value. So for an example, R4 and S4 of previous day, and today it is exactly higher R4 and S4. And another fourth pattern which we are finding out, the R4 and the S4, and today's level the R4 and S4. So this particular 4 levels which we are trying to find out with the EOD data. Okay, so that will help us to find and track some options for next day such a pattern which forms. And another one, in this same scanner we have added one more logic, is to find something exactly the previous day trading data. That means changes in the open interest of the same strike price and number of contracts traded and volume, so that we are finding out what with that particular scanner. So like the 4 patterns, this is an inside pattern and this is an outside pattern. You can look at this 2 days here, and this, it's an exactly higher level, same opposite is a lower level, and inside and narrow, that 4 we are going to find it out. So how we are going to run that particular scanner? So we need some files to download. Okay, so let me first run how our scanner. This will be provided only for our student and also anyone who already used our services. Okay, so here this is what a thing web-based platform. So there is a 2 files is data is required. So one is today's data. Today's data means last trading session, and previous means and previous to previous day. For an example, I want to find out the trading details for next, so that means tomorrow 16. So the last trading would be in this case Sunday and Saturday. So 13 is the today's data and 12 is the previous data. So these 2 particular days bow copy we need require. So where to get that bow copy? NSE India, sorry. So NS India website, you to check and market data. So here daily reports. Okay, so in this particular daily reports, we need to confirm whether it is selected as a derivative. So in this daily report, we got a 30th report and also we got a 12th report. So if you want any previous historical data, then you can go with the archives and you can select that particular date. If I want to check 11th, so only 2 days data will be shown here. So you need to select 11 and you can find the data here. So but now we required only for a daily report. The one is report 13th February and the second one is 12th February. So this, by using this 2 days data, I am going to find out the levels for tomorrow, that is what Monday. Okay, so here what the file is required, f1 udif common bow copy. So I need to download and I am going to share or show save on my desktop, that one. And one more days the same foudif common bow copy. So you need to save and I'm going to save on my desktop. So because we need to fetch the downloaded file. Okay, I will show you somewhere 12th 11th data also for a testing purpose what happened on that 11th data. Also we need to check for checking purpose. I need to download it. So 3 days bow copy I have downloaded as of now. So for an example, if I want to compare for or identify the data for tomorrow, that is today's data is about 13. Okay, and yesterday's data I need to be upload 12. Okay, once we uploaded it, so then you can see the scan and generate the report. So it will take some time and it will be reported and you can download the Excel report. So I'm just going to open this, how it is looking like. So here narrow Camarilla, we have only two or three stocks. This is for tomorrow, that is for Monday. And inside Camarilla we have some stocks and higher value Camarilla. So we have a lot of higher value and lower value also we have. And top 5. So here top 5 open interest changed stocks. So but normally the idea yes bank will be always available higher open interest. Okay, so few stocks and in this case idea. So in the open interest, change in open interest, the low value stocks will always be occupying the top places. In this case of top volume, so where you can see TCS, HAL, but INFI and SBAN, see these are all the always came into the list. And here also TCS, HAL, we can just look for tomorrow. Like what is happening in Bajaj Finance also. These are all the new. So to avoid this, we have one more filter. So you can generate a top 10 list. So I'm just selecting here 5 and 10. Now it is processing. And if I'm just opening this Excel, I'll be getting top 10 lists instead of top 5. Here you can see some newer stocks also. Most of the time in the open interest basis and ITC, so low value stocks like IDFC, Federal Bank, that may be a new IDFC First Bank. So this may be another 5 which is added. So how many you want, you can add it. So normally you can look at this. These are all the list, and here these are all the list. I think top 10 transaction which is happening by yesterday's Muthoot Finance. So maybe Reliance and SBI, TCS, Bajaj Finance, INFI, HAL. So from this list I can just going to check, because if you are watching this on daily basis, you will be easily understood what are the stocks repeatedly came, so you can simply ignore that. Okay, so that way you can filter out the stocks. So now I will be just simply telling you previous to previous day. That means we are looking for a Friday. So 12th I have added here, and previous day 11th I have added here. So top 10 I'm just going to check. This is what we are going to compare for last trading session, that is 13. Okay, so you can n number of days also you can just scan, and it will be telling you with the Excel file. And you can, for example, narrow Camarilla, this is what Friday, because we are using the data for 12 and 11. So this is an exactly Friday. So let me randomly check Grasim 2920 whether it is a narrow or not. Because if Monday's level, you can use a trading view, some quotes, you can see the next day levels. But here I'm using abstract day charts. I will not be able to tell where exactly you can see it is an inside 2920 Grasim. In this case, it breaks the S4 and it is keep moving lower. Okay, so what was the stock? No, it's a put side. Sorry. Here what we are seeing, it's a call on Grasim 2920 put side. Inside means it is an exactly between R3 and the S3 of previous day. So very narrow right range. We find some R4 breakout and finally it jumps over from 48 to 64. So maybe we are looking for a buying side. So we always be trying for breakouts on R4 because option buying will be looking for a breakout on R. So like this, you can easily scan with this particular option scanner, and we can check what are the highest top 10 contracts, where you can see Bajaj Finance would be there, and next day the call side which is performing 1000 call, yesterday is performed good, and Infosys also be the CS there. I see some HAL previous to previous day also be there, the next day HAL also perform. Maybe you can track the stocks also from the top list. We can able to find some opportunities, so that will help you for to finding a stocks on intraday basis. I hope you understood the logic by using this particular scanner. It is an EOD scanner, so end of the day only we are going to do, or the next day morning before market open we will be getting the in a bow copy. So using the bow copy we are filtering out the data and we are analyzing what is happening on the previous day market, comparing with the previous to previous. So I hope you understood. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel for the kind of scanners and screeners. And if you have any other questions, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video, and also you can just comment on the comment box if you have any questions or a doubt regarding this particular scanner. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and keep supporting and subscribing the channel. Thank you.